LR-G100 Rebar Detector is a portable, intelligent, non-destructive testing equipment, mainly used for structural testing of reinforced concrete. It can accurately detect the thickness, estimate diameter of the steel reinforcement protective layer, and the surface of reinforced concrete, and analyze the distribution of steel reinforcement. This instrument is equipped with a large-capacity pluggable lithium battery, providing super long battery life. The host adopts a capacitive touchscreen, with a clear UI interface design, and more convenient human-computer interaction. Dual operation mode of buttons and touchscreen, easy to operate. During testing, the position of the steel bars, and the thickness of the protective layer, are displayed on the same screen to meet the testing requirements. Adopting high-power physical transmission coils with super-strong anti-interference ability. Using high-precision linear hole sensors to detect the spacing between steel bars more accurately. Upgrade the reinforcement correction function, supporting simultaneous correction of reinforcement spacing and diameter, with higher accuracy, making detection more precise. Professional online system software that intelligently analyzes and automatically generates inspection reports, making steel bar inspection work easier. Instrument composition. The instrument box of this device contains host, mobile probe, signal line, and other accessories. Among them, the host part mainly includes indicator lights, touchable LCD screen, buttons, signal interface, USB interface, and lithium battery. The USB interface is used for data transmission and charging interface. The signal interface is connected to the sensor probe through a signal line for detection. Parameter settings. Press the power button to open the host. The system main interface mainly includes 4 functions: steel bar detection, data viewing, system settings, and data deletion. Select through touch screen or right button. Before testing, we need to set the scanning parameters first. Click on reinforcement detection. Parameter settings. We can set the diameter of the hoop reinforcement. The selectable range is 6, 8, 12, 14 and without hoop reinforcement. Main reinforcement spacing. 5 values can be set: 40, 60, 80, 100, and greater than 120, depending on the average spacing of the tested component. Range selection. For protective layer thickness within 100 mm, it is recommended to use small range mode, otherwise use big range mode. Steel types, including rebar and round steel, set according to the detected reinforcement type. After setting up, press the C key to return to the previous interface. Next, click Detection to set the component parameters. Object number. The object number consists of numbers, letters, and symbols, and users can set up to 16 characters, and at least 1 character. Component type. 2 component types available: beam and slab. Design depth, used to set the thickness information of the design protective layer of the tested steel bar, which can be set within the range of 6 to 180. Design diameter, used to set the diameter of the tested steel bar, with a range of 15 steel bar specifications including 6, 8, 10 to 50. After setting up, click Scan to start the detection. Reinforcement testing. Entering the detection interface, the device prompts to perform signal reset calibration first. At this point, the probe needs to be lifted in mid-air, away from metal objects, and then press the OK button to start calibration. When the screen displays calibration completed, the formal testing can begin. When testing, the probe should be slowly and uniformly moved to the right to start measuring. When the probe is located directly above the steel bar, the instrument will emit a prompt sound, indicating that it has been positioned in the middle of the steel bar, and the thickness value will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. For example, the current protective layer thickness is 25 mm. The protective layer thickness of the previous steel bar is 24 mm. When the number of measurement points exceeds the range displayed on the screen will automatically flip pages. If you want to estimate the diameter of the steel bar, you need to move the probe directly above the steel bar, press the up arrow key, and the instrument interface will display the estimated diameter value, and estimated protective layer thickness value. Press the left and right arrow key to switch between manual or automatic storage mode. In manual mode, press the save key briefly to store the current thickness value for judgment. Press the down arrow key, the instrument self-calibrates. Press the C key, select whether to save the data, and then exit the scanning interface. Data viewing. Click on Data View on the main interface to view saved detection data. There are two viewing modes here: Component List and Component Detailed Survey. The data statistics information of the components displays different contents according to the different scanning modes of the components. Click on Sift to enter the Component Detailed Survey interface, where you can view component data information in the form of graphics or lists. Click on Up and Down to turn the page and view the data. The red numbers represent unqualified. Click on the data list at the bottom of the interface to view the data in the form of a list. Click Cancel to return to the previous interface. Data deletion. For data that has been uploaded to the computer, you can click on the main interface and select Data Deletion to delete the data. Note: data can't be recovered after deletion. System settings. Click on System Settings, and the adjustable parameters include Key Sound. Select whether to turn on the button sound. Brightness. Set the screen brightness. Automatic shutdown time. If the user does not operate the device for a long time, the system will automatically shut down. Initial value adjustment. When there is an error in the detection results, the initial value can be adjusted to fine-tune the detection accuracy. System language. Set the display language of the system. Online system software. The software is a multifunctional analysis software used for data processing of steel reinforcement protection layer with easy operation. First, connect the Rebar detector to the computer using a data cable, and then turn on the Rebar detector. Open the online system software, click on the menu Rebar scanner, click on Import automatically, and the software will import the data from the Rebar meter. Afterwards, we can perform data processing on all components. Click on Detect Component Data in the tree diagram to modify and improve the data. Click on Data Processing, then click on Generate Report. The software will automatically generate the report, and we can preview and print the report.